In this video, we will show you how to install a Baldwin keyless entry. First, verify the back set and install the latch in the upright position. Extend the deadbolt and then rotate the turn piece to the horizontal position. Feed the wire through the exterior adapter. Then insert the cylinder into the exterior trim with the torque blade in the vertical position. Next, insert the wire through the hole of the interior mounting plate. Then insert the wire into the notch. Insert the mounting bolts and tighten. To make sure the deadbolt is working, insert the key and test by retracting and extending the bolt a few times for smooth action. If the action is rough, loosen screws and realign the mounting plate and exterior assembly. After test is complete, remove the key and keep the deadbolt extended. Next, insert plug into interior trim terminal. Check the vertical alignment of the mount plate and exterior assembly and then attach the connector to the interior assembly. Once this is flush on the door, insert and tighten the two screws to secure the assembly to the mounting plate. The turn knob will turn hard until the battery pack is installed and the lock handed as per the next step. Now install the batteries into the holder and press and hold the lock button and insert the battery pack. The system will drive the deadbolt several times. Hold until you hear 2 beeps. To program a code, press the Program button once. Enter the code you want. Then press Lock to save the code. Press Lock again to extend the deadbolt and re-enter the code to test. The bolt should retract. Finally, place the last interior piece.